With me are some of the products we buy in supermarkets, canned, bottled, or powdered that we eat or drink. Looking at the back labels, we find the ingredients of the product listed. Most of them are known to us, but with them are other ingredients we are not familiar with. Let's look at the ingredients of this can of corned beef. The ingredients are beef, broth, salt, sugar, and spices. We are already familiar with these things. But what are the other things? Sodium erythorbate and sodium nitrite. Okay, let's try another one, like this powdered drink. I'm already well acquainted with sugar, natural orange juice crystals, as seen in the label. But ingredients like citric acid and calcium phosphate are unknown to me. These ingredients we have read that are not familiar to us are just examples of some common food additives. These additives are classified as antimicrobial agents, antioxidants, emulsifiers, and thickening agents. Antimicrobial agents prevent the growth of microorganisms that spoil food, such as molds. An example of these are the nitrites, like the potassium sodium salts which are used for the meat products, such as the one used in the corned beef product whose label we read previously. Another antimicrobial agent is benzoic acid and its potassium and sodium salts, such as sodium benzoate. These are found in products like juices and beverages, pickles and relishes, jams and jellies, margarine and cheeses, vegetable oil and lard, and soups. Antioxidants prevent the direct action of oxygen on fats and fatty portions of food, causing them to turn rancid. Examples of antioxidants are ascorbic acids and its potassium and sodium salts, butylated hydroxyanisole, butylated hydroxytoluene, citric acid, ethylene diamine tetraacetate. These antioxidants are found in the same products as the ones we already mentioned a while ago. Emulsifiers are used to disperse oil in water evenly, such as the propylene glycol alginate and lecithin. These are used in products such as salad dressings and ice cream. Thickening agents are used to improve the texture and blend of food. In icings, confectionaries, cheeses, and creams, thickening agents like gum arabic, agar, carrageenan are used for aesthetic appeal, pH control, or flavor enhancement. In many food products like candies, cheeses, and soup mixes, the thickening agents used are food-grade mineral oil, glutamic acid, and its ammonium, calcium, monosodium, potassium salts, and also tartaric acid. But we must take note that most of these additives must have a prescribed acceptable daily intake. Children are more at risk because they have smaller body weight. Some of these additives are even associated with serious illnesses. It is only citric acid, lecithin, gum arabic, agar, carrageenan, and food-grade mineral oil that are safe in a wide range of dosage. Soap lowers the surface tension of water and makes it easier to dislodge dirt from fabrics. Soap serves as a bridge between the water and the unreachable dirt. In addition, the oily portion of the dirt sticks to the oily portion of the soap solution, leaving the clothes or any surface clean. The amount of bubbles or suds that a detergent makes is not a measure of its ability to clean. You see, the detergent used for washing machines does not produce plenty of bubbles or suds, yet the clothes get clean just the same. The cleaning is done when the surface tension of water is sufficiently lowered with enough agitation to dislodge the oily dirt into smaller particles, which are then trapped in the detergent. Rinsing washes away these particles. But sometimes, it is not enough to clean with soap. This is especially true with stains. An improper choice of stains may result in the failure to remove this stain or damage to the fabric. The removal of stains depends on the nature of the stain, the age of the stain, the type of fabric, and the stain remover. Stain removers may be categorized into three. The first is the adsorbent. This is like powdered chalk, magnesium carbonate, and starch. The stain is adsorbed into the powder and can be removed by simply brushing it off. This works best on fresh stains. The second stain removers are dissolvents like ethanol, acetone, borax, and ammonia water. These solvents are effective for removing stains caused by grease and chocolates. The third stain removers are the bleaches like hydrogen peroxide, potassium permanganate, and sodium hypochlorite. These bleaches are compounds that are used to remove unwanted color from white fabrics. The liquid bleach we buy in the supermarkets is a 4 to 5% solution of sodium hypochlorite. Even blood stains on cotton and linen fabrics can be removed by the use of hydrogen peroxide in cold water. But we must also be selective when using solvents and bleaches on different types of fabrics. Sodium hypochlorite works well on cotton and linen, but it attacks the linkage that hold wool together. Strong bleaches like sodium hydroxide tend to dissolve wool and silk.